In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different descriptions per variant in Shopify. This is really useful if you sell products where each size, color, or style needs its own specific details, like materials, care instructions, or special notes. We'll walk through everything step by step, from setting up the meta field, to editing the variants, to displaying the description on your product page. First, head over to your Shopify admin. On the admin dashboard, look down to the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Metafields and Meta Objects. Go ahead and click that. Once you're on the Metafields and Meta Objects page, choose Variants. This is where we're going to create a special metafield just for variant descriptions. At the top right, click on Add Definition. Give this metafield a clear name, such as Variant Description, so you'll recognize it later. Then click on Type, and from the drop-down list, choose Rich Text. This allows you to add nicely formatted text, not just plain characters. When you're done, click Save near the search bar at the top. Now go back to your main Shopify admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Products. From your list of products, select a product that has one or more variants where you want to add unique descriptions. Inside the product editor, scroll down until you see the Variants section. Click on the specific variant you want to work on. You'll be taken to that variants editor. Scroll down until you find the metafield section. Here, you should see the variant description metafield you just created. Click inside the text box next to it and type the description that applies only to this variant. When you're finished, click Save, either at the top near the search bar or at the bottom of the page. Next, we need to show this variant description on your storefront. Look back at the left panel of your admin and click on Online Store. On your current theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the navigation at the top, which usually starts on the home page. Click that drop-down, choose Products, and then select the default product template, so you're editing the layout for product pages. On the left panel of the product page layout, click Add Section. From the options that appear, choose Custom Liquid. Once the custom liquid section is added, you can drag and drop it to place it exactly where you want the variant description to appear, such as below the main product description or near the buy button. Select the custom liquid section. A text box will appear where you can paste the liquid code. Paste the same code shown in the tutorial, and feel free to pause the video so you can clearly see and copy it accurately. After you paste the code, look at the live preview on the right side. Switch between variants, and you should now see the specific description you added for each one showing up in that custom liquid section. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the placement and behavior, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. That's it. You've successfully set up different descriptions for each variant in Shopify.